What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a new video for you today. This is a Ford F-250 brand new 2026 Platinum. This one looks really good. It's kind of a one of those sales that I didn't have much to do with, but I'm not going to miss any more of these Fords. We're going to fill that playlist up just like we do on the Chevrolets and the GMCs. We're going to be doing a 7-inch BDS lift kit on this one. I'm sure it has the Fox shocks in it. I don't know which shock it has yet. I know that we're doing a 24x14 American Force. It's one of their zero lip wheels. I don't know exactly. I think it's the Oxide is what the name of the wheel is. It's going to look really good on the truck. It's the first forged wheel that we've sold that has no lip. It has a concave spoke. Looks super cool. We're also doing a set of, I think it's 38-inch Furies on this one too, so stay tuned. This truck looks amazing. I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like. The interior of this truck is awesome. I don't know if GM's messing with it or not, but I'll show it to you in just a second. All right, 2026 Ford F-250 Platinum. We're about to put the 7-inch BDS lift kit on it with some 24x14 wheels and 38-inch tires. I love the color. You know, I'm a gray, white, silver, black. That's kind of the colors I like on a truck. I love this interior though. I always talk about how I like black interiors, and GM really isn't doing much with black leather. Ford has this platinum color that's really nice. Looks like a Mustang seat or something to me more than a F-250 seat. But anyways, they have a really nice interior in this truck. Big, nice screen. We're about to get started on this one right now. I think it's gonna look amazing. Stay tuned. All right, so we got our 2026 Ford F-250 Super Duty Platinum ready to go. We did the 7-inch BDS lift kit with the Fox shocks. We did the Fox steering stabilizers up on the front. We did a 24x14 American Force zero lip Oxide in the black and milled finish. That's a mouthful. And then we did a 38 1550 24 Fury MT tire. So the truck looks amazing. I love the interior of it. I've already talked about that in here. Wanted to give a big shout out to the customer that brought it. I'm gonna leave him nameless. He's a regular up here. And check out the truck and let me know what you think about it. So I'm not gonna lie, these Super Duties are starting to grow on me in a big way. This is a beautiful truck. I love this gray color on it. I love the wheels. The American Force zero lip Oxide is an amazing looking wheel. Very detailed, super high end. They take a little while to make. I'm not gonna lie, it took 12 weeks to make these at least. Tire on there is the 38 1550 24 Fury MT. It's an amazing alternative to like a Nitto or a Toyo. The Nitto and Toyo inventory has been awful lately and it's hard to get it. So if you want to build something in kind of a hurry, you know, sometimes you got to go with what you can get. The Furies are a really good tire, comparatively speaking, to like every other tire from overseas. I don't put them in the same class as Nitto and Toyo on ride quality, but they're up there close. The lift kit we did on this one is the 7-inch BDS kit with the Fox 2.0 shocks. This is the radius arm version of the kit. They have a 4-link or a radius arm. The radius arm is a little bit cheaper in price, and it's a little bit, I don't really know why it's a lot cheaper. It's a couple $100 cheaper than the 4-link. The 4-link, you get a little bit more articulation, but I think for just regular driving, Ford put a radius arm on this truck from the factory, so you can't really go wrong with the radius arm, and it's got a cool little badge on it too. All the driveline angles and everything are good with this BDS kit. You don't have to change the drive shaft out in the front or anything like that. Everything works the same as it's supposed to from the factory with this kit. We did do the BDS dual steering stabilizer. That's what you see here in the front with the Fox 2.0 shocks. That just tightens up the steering a little bit. You don't really have to have that, but we always recommend it when you get a lift like this done. I do want to go over the wheels a little bit more. Just look at the detail. So this is a gloss black and milled forged wheel, fully concave. When I say concave, I mean that it doesn't have a big fat lip on the wheel. The spokes come all the way out to the wheel, or to the lip. Now, a concave forged 24x14 wheel like this is very, very rare. There's only a few companies that do it. I know American Force does it, Vossen does it. I think KG1's starting to do it. But other than that, it's not a real big thing. It hasn't hit yet as hard as like the deep lip. But completely beautiful wheel, if you ask me. I love the way this looks. I would really like to see some comments about this. I'm curious what you guys think about it. But there's our tire. So the 38-inch Furies. The overall presentation of the truck is great. It's one of those that if you take this thing out in traffic, you're gonna get people looking at it all the time because it does look amazing. So if you have any questions about this build or you want a price on anything else, feel free to reach out, 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. I'm going to put a quote behind this clip in this video, so if you guys are curious what this build would cost you, stay tuned for that. Anything else, just reach out. I appreciate you guys watching every week. Thank you.